1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Got a phone vote. 20, 21.
So we're getting together the big players in the city to talk about the reuse of surplus assets within and between organisations. Format of the day is going to be 4 hours, quick, short, 4 presentations from people who've done it before, followed up by a keynote speaker who will get you getting creative and coming up with ideas.
So what we're going to do is we're going to look at what our idea is. What does it change or make better? We're going to pick the one that makes you all go, yeah. If the air leaves the room, it's the right idea. What's your idea? What's it going to make better? What are you going to do next? This table first. Yes, you sir.
We have decided that our idea is going to be about GRASP, green, recyclable, aware and sustainable for our patients.
We are going to bring in a law that says if you want to buy any piece of furniture, you have to look at buying second-hand furniture first.
Brilliant.
It'll actually make people think, do we buy it? Do we reuse it? Or do we just look within the organisation and say, I'll move it from one room to another?
And you're going to leave the event with a clear way forward about how to bring reuse about in your organisation.
The whole point of this was to show you that all of those things that get in your way every single day are there to make you think better. And every single one of us, and no matter how stupid the idea is, it's genius. It's genius in every single thing. And that every one of us is creative. Every single one of us.